Today we have come at the site of Sobha. Sobha has just launched their new project, that is Sobha Crescent. और इस साइट पे आने का सिंपल रीजन ये है, वी वांटेड टू एक्सप्लेन यू द डिजाइन फिलॉसफी, द कंस्ट्रक्शन, हाउ दे डू द कंस्ट्रक्शन, हाउ द बैकवर्ड इंटीग्रेशन वर्क फॉर देम. इनका जो कंस्ट्रक्शन म्यूजियम है हम आपको वो दिखाएंगे, एंड वी विल ऑल्सो शो यू द सैंपल विच विल गिव यू a fair idea how the Crescent is going to come like. In fact, Sobha Crescent was launched around a week back और इसको बहुत अच्छा response मिला market से. And we wanted to show you that what kind of delivery Sobha gives. Let me show you their gallery.
Hi sir, welcome.
Hi,
to
Divyang.
Sobha. Thank you sir.
So here we are at Sobha site. He's standing at Divyang. Divyang is from Sobha and he's going to show us around the gallery, the sample, the construction museum, and we will talk more about Sobha Crescent when we will sit with him.
Please come.
Yes.
Let me show you the show part.
So here you can see on the right hand side the presence of Sobha Pan India. So they are operational in multiple cities across India. These are the cities where they are operational at present. So they have almost done around 548 iconic projects in the residential, commercial and contractual spaces, which accounts to around 136 million square feet. That's a magnitude that we are talking about. Here we have Mr. PNC Menon, who's the founder and chairman of Sobha Group. Now let's go and have a look at the sample.
So right now I'm presenting you the Sobha 4-bedroom residence. You can see the quality of the door. All these doors are being manufactured in-house. We have the biggest woodwork factory in Bangalore, which is 375,000 square feet. Sobha Interiors, we do everything from woodwork, we do the metal and glazing work, we do the concrete work as well. So everything is managed end to end. Let me get you inside. Please come, sir. What is huge?
So this is the sample of 4 BHK that we are going to show you around. So we wanted to give you the gist about the specification.
Yes.
What kind of flooring you are going to get, the kind of the kitchens the developer is giving you, and overall the kind of space they are creating it, how efficient the layout is.
So that's how my living and dining room area is. This is fabulously designed. You have spacious balconies, right overlooking the Aravallis. And then at the back side, you have a city-facing views as well. The magnificent city views. Every space is being managed as per the Vastu. Even if you see the flooring here is also being done by Sobha. All the flooring is in-house.
So the manufacturing of this flooring is being done in-house.
Yes.
Now there are two things that we wanted to show you here in the sample is how the designing of this living and dining has been done. As you can see, it's a L-shaped living and dining. It is a majorly giving you a perspective and understanding how a 4 BHK looks like. So it's a L-shaped living and dining. Then you have the balconies on the other side. Please come. Let me show you the width and the depth of the balconies. So this is how the balconies are going to look like. There are a lot of interior work that has been done. Don't take it as it is. Crescent ka equality hai that the main USP of Sobha Crescent is that majority of the apartments are facing towards the Aravali greens. So we are back into our living and dining. So Divyang will take us around and show us how the space have been utilized. First, let's Divyang go to the kitchen.
Yes,
have a look. Yes, please.
Even you see, we do not use doors in the kitchen. That's considered good as per the Vastu compliance apartments.
Now, Divyang, like here, the woodwork that has been done, it's going to be as it is.
Yes, it is going
So
to be.
the wooden work that you can see when we are entering the kitchen, it's a hard wood that has been deployed here.
Yes.
And the quality of the wood is A grade.
Please come inside. So the kitchen, we give choice to our customers how they can design themselves. The kitchen is going to be raw and all the white goods are not going to be provided by the vendor. It's the choice of the customer how well they can design it, what kind of a modular kitchen they wanted to use, what kind of a brands they wanted to use. Right. So you can see outside is the utility balcony, which is also being efficiently designed. So this is the dry area and outside is the wet area where you can keep the dishwasher, and there inside you can keep the washing machine as well. And you have the utility balcony also. You have a free space. You can overlook the city and also the Aravallis from your utility balcony as well. Now this is also being connected with your staff room. So this is very important. So the staff room, everybody in Gurgaon is so busy, they need a domestic help. So this kind of a space is very important because you have the entry and exit from the outside. either you use it as a staff room or you can utilize the such space as a mini office. So that is also required. So if you're working from home, your clients can easily come from outside and without disturbing the main goal of your main apartment areas basically.
Even the washroom is attached.
Yes, please. You can see a proper space being given for the entry and exit.
So this is the lobby area on this side. As we can see on the back end side, there's going to be the main entrance to the apartment, and there's going to be a separate entrance to the servant room from the outside itself, and it's going to be linked to the kitchen. And exclusive washroom for the servant area. It's a decent size servant room that has been provided by the developer here, and a lot of ventilation that has been created. There's going to be a sunlight, but Sobha is focusing on. So this is the design philosophy where they are targeting majority of the rooms are going to be sun is going to have the sun. At the same time, they are going to have a lot of air. So it's fully sunlit and ventilated. Now, the concept of giving raw kitchen, because everyone has their own perspective to the kitchen. Now, एक चीज मैं आपको बताता हूँ, lot of developers are moving towards the raw apartments right now. Like Oberoi Realty is going to launch their development on Golf Course Extension. They are going to give the bare shell apartment, so you can do a lot of things with that particular apartment. That's a thought. Now, Sobha is also giving a raw kitchen where you can implement and imbibe a lot of your personal perspective into the kitchen. Come. Majorly, we have to look on the construction quality, the way the walls have been done, the way the flooring has been done. It has been done. अगर आप space भी देखेंगे, इस flooring के बीच में, it's throughout the apartments. It's moving at a same pace. Now you can see here, like the
Yeah.
Now the space here that has been
2 mm.
2 mm is the space between both the stones here. As you can see.
Why this has been left, because if any of the tile that has to be need a repair work, that can easily be removed, and the maintenance cost is also very less.
Now there's a positive side, because once any of the stone or the tiles get broken, you have to remove majority of the tiles. But here, this 2 mm space have been created so that that individual tile can be taken out and can be replaced.
Yes.
Now it is a high-end, super luxury tiles that is being used here. In fact, again, this is internally made by Sobha itself. जब हम बैकवर्ड इंटीग्रेशन की बात करते हैं, जो आपका हार्वर्ड बिजनेस स्कूल में भी डिस्कस किया जाता है सोबा को एज ए केस स्टडी, सो बैकवर्ड इंटीग्रेशन के अंदर जैसे हम एंटर कर रहे हैं तो हमने दरवाजे देखे, सो दरवाजे इन हाउस मेड, दीज टाइल्स, द फ्लोरिंग इज इन हाउस मेड, the door panels are in house made. In fact, even you see these glass doors, ये सारा का सारा खुद ही काम होता है. In fact, जो construction भी है सोबा खुद ही करता है. So that's a kind of efficiency that this builder is bringing into this development. Now let's come and have a look at the washroom first, which will give us more insight कि कैसा. So first let's have a look at the washroom first, क्योंकि washroom से आपको पता चलेगा इसमें कि किस तरह का ये finishes दे रहा है. Come. Now we are entering the master bedroom. You can see this the length and the width of this particular room. It's a decent size master bedroom, and again I am telling you the efficiency of this apartment in comparison to the competition is slightly on a higher side. When you take it on a paper itself, जब आप पेपर पे ही दोनों अपार्टमेंट्स को कंपटीशन के साथ चेक करोगे, ये approximately 2% on a higher side आपको मिलेगा in comparison to the benchmark products in the market. Come. Now here the flooring, as you can see, is the wooden laminated flooring. Again, in-house flooring work that has been done. Again, the 2 mm spacing has been given between this flooring, so that again, if any of the flooring is broken, you can take that particular flooring out and can replace it. Now again, just wanted to show you the space. Now this is the personal walk-in closet that has been created for this particular room. Though the developer is not giving the walk-in closet, but the kind of space that they are creating, and it shows the kind of design language or the kind of work that they have done on the layouts. Come. Now let me show you the washroom. Now here is the door of the washroom. Again, a heavy door. Again, when we see here in the washroom, अगर हम इसके पूरे वॉल को भी देखते हैं तो इस पे पूरा का पूरा टाइल लगा हुआ है from floor to ceiling. So this is the kind of work that you are going to get within your washroom. Now this is the partition that you are going to get within your washroom. Now let me show you one thing. Now here is the drainage that the developer is giving here. Again, looking very aesthetically fit विद द अपार्टमेंट। मतलब अगर आप हाई एंड अपार्टमेंट ले रहे हैं तो बहुत एस्थेटिकली नजर आ रहा है। ये जितना भी यहाँ पे आप टॉयलेट फिटिंग्स देख रहे हैं, अगेन इन हाउस डन बाय सोबा itself. Now here is the wash basin and the slab that has been created. It's going to be under the specification, but the vanity is not going to be part of it. Come, walking closet. Again, the walk-in closet, as I shown you earlier, it's not going to be part of it, but the spacing that the developer is giving, it's huge. In fact, Soba has an in-house interior company that is Meter Q. आपको कुछ भी requirement होती है that can be provided by Soba itself and their that company. Anything that you are seeing here. Now come, as I have shown you, this is the master bedroom at present. Ample, good size master bedroom with the attached walk-in closet, and here is the attached balcony to it. As you can see the length of it, it's a decent size balcony. This particular balcony is attached to your living and dining and to one of the bedroom. Now let's move to another bedroom. Now as you can see there is a passage. Here it's the living and dining area. हम इधर से अंदर आते हैं और ये पैसेज है which take us to 3 bedrooms. एक बेडरूम से हम बाहर आए हैं, 2 बेडरूम, तो कोई भी शेयर्ड वॉल नहीं है किसी भी बेडरूम की एक दूसरे के। That's a kind of privacy that this particular apartment is giving you. This is another bedroom and attached balcony to it. And on the back side, you can see the washroom here. Now we are moving to the third bedroom. The third bedroom with the balcony attached to it, with the washroom here and your wardrobes on this side. You can see a good size space of the bedroom with the almirahs within the bedroom fixed. Now the bed Almirah nahi de raha hai developer, but the kind of space, the vanity that they are providing here, it's decent. Now I just wanted to show you the powder room. Now this is the entrance to the apartment. You can see how broad the entrance is. हम एंटर करते हैं तो यहाँ पे राइट हैंड साइड पे पाउडर रूम मिल जाता है आपको. This is how the powder room and the specification and the tiles are. This is very elegantly done. As you can see, the color of and the choice of the tiles that has been used. Here again, from floor to ceiling, the tiles are being provided. Now here's the 4th bedroom. Now the 4th bedroom, the developer just wanted to give you a perspective how it can be used. So they have done a lounge or a private den. So you can have your own bar area, or you can create a temple there, or you can have a study, or anything you want to, or even if you want to have 4th bedroom, it's up to you. But a lot of things can be done when you have a larger space for you. Again, washroom material, all the bedrooms are attached with washrooms and balconies.
So one of the good thing I just wanted to also focus, you can see all the private areas are there that side.
Yeah.
And all the common areas will be right at the start.
Right.
So the maximum efficiency the builder has attained it. And in NCR region, when you talk about the carpet efficiency, usually the carpet efficiency ranges from 50 to 55%.
Absolutely.
We offer it 57 to 60%, not including the balcony. But if you include the balcony, that goes up to 70% also.
So here what Divyang wanted to say, he's absolutely right. When we compare it with the other developers, the average carpet space percentage wise comes to around 50 to 53% to 56, 57%. But Soba is giving approximately 57 to 60% depending on the size that you are picking from. But if you also include the balcony into the overall space, it comes out to be approximately 70 to 72%. Right. Or the usable space. तो super से जब आप usable निकालेंगे तो around 70-72% के आसपास आ जाएगा. Now we are moving to Soba Museum. Soba Museum is basically will tell you about the construction, the backward integration, किस तरह का material use किया जाता है सोबा के अपार्टमेंट्स के अंदर या सोबा के overall development में. So here you can see a lot of open spaces that has been created within the gallery. So that's a kind of design language that Soba imbibes. मतलब they bring a lot of natural light within their property and they want to make it more openness. जब सोबा सिटी भी इन्होंने डिलीवर किया है द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे के अंदर, उधर भी इन्होंने एक प्रॉपर क्रिकेट ग्राउंड दिया within the complex, जिसकी वजह से एक बहुत बड़ा ओपननेस आ जाता है and there is a lot of ventilation and natural light within the apartments also. Now Divyang will take us around with the construction museum. Please.
Thank you, sir. So this way is my Shobha Museum. You know, Shobha is the India's most self-reliant real estate company, and we are known to be the construction pioneers. So, we established in 1995. Since 1995 today, we have delivered more than 570 projects. That includes your residential, commercial, and contractual. Whatever the work we do it in-house. Whether it's producing of concrete, whether we do the metal and glazing work. Right now, you can see the structure.
building a right structure and the right framework is very important for any developer.
Do
And,
capture this, the structure. So this portion is displaying the structure part of it.
We follow the Myven technology. Through Myven, we also use all the German tools and technology. Even our quality head is a German, right? Our laborers are also trained so that they are equipped with the latest techniques and technologies so that they can do it better, right? You can see these are TMT steel bars, and that side is the aluminium shuttering. Through that, the cement is poured. We follow the aluminium foam work, which is very, very strong. This also supports the Seismic Zone 5. Please come.
Yeah. So now we are moving towards the interior part. Like हमने external construction की बात कर ली. अब दीवारों के अंदर क्या होता है वो एक बार
Over here, you can see, as we were mentioning about 2 mm spacing. What 2 mm spacing exactly is? You know how the patterns are created. We used to, before we make the tiles, we used to create patterns, which is in vertical and horizontal patterns. Then उसके बाद हम लोग ये जो अपना floor का जो tiles होता है, we used to use the adhesive and we used to get it done basically. We used to give 2 mm spacing. Why? If any of the tiles that require the treatment of any of the repair work, anything, it is not going to disturb the other areas of the flooring. Basically, it is very easy to manage as well. When we talk about the doors, the door quality of Sobha is world class. Like, we are doing the in-house door production. We have an in-house factory in Bangalore, which is 375,000 square feet. We also supply doors to a lot of good brands in this real estate industry. We have done a lot of good contractual work. One of the famous contractual work we have done is for Infosys. Like, we have a dedicated campus in Mysuru, Infosys Global Education Hub. That has been, everything has been designed by end-to-end by Sobha itself. This way is the washroom. You can see the washrooms are very nicely finished. Why this is very important? You can see all the pipes and everything is being hidden inside the false ceiling. You cannot even see a mark of wire coming out or any pipes being seen from the washrooms. Even the waterproofing treatment has been done on the flooring. We used to use MYP Schockbock, which is the highest graded German paint. Right over this side, you can see on the vent stack we have done the clamping. So any of the water that is coming with high pressure, that reduces the chance of water sealing also and water seepage also. The maximum water seepage comes from the washroom. So getting your washroom done is very important. We'll be using Kohler and PNC as an in-house fitment brand. That will be part of the washroom area basically. Now, very exclusive thing about the terrace. You might have noticed जब बारिश होती है तो आपका जो रेन वाटर होता है वो कॉर्नर्स में जाके स्टोर होता है. उससे क्या होता है, क्रैक्स आना स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं आउटर फसाड में बिल्डिंग के, and that is very much visible. And this is a very common thing that you might have noticed in NCR area. We follow the 6 layers of waterproofing approach. You can see, first of all, we used to do the the bitumen sheets that has been used. 100 mm and 300 mm bitumen sheets have been used. A thick thermocol has also been used for this, and then there is a geothermal sheet that has also been used. उसके ऊपर हम लोगों ने screed use किया है. फिर then we have used a reflective floor tile that basically help us reduce the water seepage, and there is no any such problem of the water seepage in Sobha, any of the Sobha apartment basically. Now this way is basically the parking. So getting the good car parking, the flooring, what we have used is epoxy resin on the flooring, so that has the anti-skid qualities. So any of the good mall you go to Delhi, whether you go to any of the good mall, any of the 5-star good mall, so you might have noticed the parking standards are very different. We follow all the same parking standards. There's a proper marking that has been given on the parking as well. Then on the corners, we have used the rubber fenders. That is very important while you're busy on your phone and sometimes your car just get to, the rubber fenders are being used to avoid any such kind of an incidents as well.
It's not worth the base.
So this way, if you see, again, the waterproofing, 6 layers of waterproofing is being used. And, everything is being in-house here. Even you see the standard railing size is 1.15 meters, which is very important in any of the high-rise. That has been considered by taking care of the maximum safety standards. We are going to use the double glazed glasses. Double glazed glasses has its benefits. And then you have the aluminium sliding door, which is also a double coated aluminium, which is going to be rust free throughout your life. So I'll tell you one more thing. 1454 quality checks has been taken in consideration when we deliver any of the apartment, and there's a proper snagging process that it's been followed. And the management team used to do that. You know, any of the gap they see before they deliver any of the apartment, they do not hand over the apartment to any of the customer. So it's very important. No other builder will follow these kind of quality parameters.
So Divyang, I just wanted to understand, Sobha Crescent have been a successful launch.
Yes.
And it happened around 7-10 days back. You were able to do a good amount of allotments to the client. I think the allotment process was seamless, and I think you guys maintained the integrity and the value system that has been imbibed into you from the Sobha management itself.
Right.
But I just wanted to understand that Sobha is getting very aggressive into the market, majorly towards the North India, because जो सोबा का पहले ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड रहा है, उन्होंने द्वारका एक्सप्रेस पे 2 लैंड पार्सल्स दिए, उसी को ही बनाते रहे. तो उस टाइम उनका उतना बड़ा विजन नहीं था, बट रिसेंटली दे लॉन्च मल्टीपल प्रोजेक्ट्स. जैसे एक कर्मा लेक लैंड लॉन्च किया, दैट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल गोल्फ कोर्स प्रॉपर्टी. फिर नोएडा में आप एक लॉन्च लेके आए, फिर सोबा स्ट्राडा लेके आए, फिर आप सोबा क्रेसेंट लेके आए. सो व्हाट्स द विजन ऑफ सोबा?
So Sobha is right now what I'll say from a self-reliant real estate company. Now they are transforming to a future-oriented company.
Okay.
You know what I mean to be future-oriented? Right now they're already being commanding the construction. Right. Now with the coming of launching of new projects, they can see the market is doing good. You know, when it comes to the expansion plan. So right now we are taking in consideration 4 major cities. One is Bangalore, the second one is Mumbai, the third one is Gurgaon, and the fourth one is Noida.
Okay.
You can see in all these cities we have right now recently launched all the new projects, and we are doing good in terms of, you know, the recognition and the kind of reputation we share with the market.
Right.
You know, the channel partners are confident, you know, this is the kind of builder wherein if I used to do business with them, they're going to be very transparent with me.
Absolutely. Yes.
Right. And when it comes to the customer mindset, the customers are very sure if I am handing over 10 crores of money to a developer, they're going to utilize my money in a right way manner. You know, they're going to use in a good quality of construction. They're going to get me the delivery on time, which is very important.
Right.
Now, the third thing is the loyalty. So we have already, you mentioned about Sobha City and the projects like Sobha ICG Villas. We have that kind of a legacy. You know, the customers who are already living there, they have been onboarded to all these new projects.
Right.
So again, they are reinvesting their money in Sobha. That makes us proud.
Right.
You know, the kind of customer loyalty we share in the market is also amazing.
Right.
And when you talk about Sobha Crescent, yes, Sobha Crescent has been a very good successful launch we did in this market. Everyone was excited, even from all the channel partner, all the clients. The first time Sobha is coming into golf course extension,
Right.
where you have so many good developers who are commanding this market and has the maximum market share.
Yeah.
Right. One of the major developer, DLF, who's already commanding golf course road, and you know, then you have M3M, and then you have projects like TAG, then you have Max Estate. Already these people are already there in the market.
Right.
But when it was announced that Sobha is going to be in golf course extension, they're about to launch something new which is coming up in the prime location of golf course extension. So everyone started very early. They started doing their homework even very early.
Absolutely.
You know, they started connecting with their relationship managers of Sobha. What is exactly this new project? What kind of a pricing we are going to offer?
Right.
What are the payment plans that used to be coming?
Right.
So at the time of launch, the price that we offered, the inaugural price, was really, really important. You know, the customer was really curious to know what kind of a
I
price.
think the pricing was very competitive.
Yes.
It was quickly priced.
Yes.
I think 24,000 rupees per square feet in that particular
Yes.
micro market. Being Sobha, A-grade listed
Yes.
developer. The overall land parcel
Right.
is very good. The majority of the apartments are facing towards
Right.
the Aravlis. I think वहाँ पे जो नई developments भी आ रही हैं, that those are coming upwards of 30,000.
Right.
Even Oberoi is talking
Right.
about 45,000 rupees.
Absolutely.
So I think you have left a lot of on the table for the
Yes.
investors who have invested
Absolutely. Yes.
with your product. Just wanted to quickly capture Sobha Crescent in 1 minute.
Okay.
Okay. How much acres?
12 acres, sir.
How many towers?
Right now in phase 1 we launched 2 towers, and in future expansion another 2 towers will come.
How many apartments?
So we have launched 325 plus apartments in phase 1. Another 300 apartments will be coming in phase 2.
So the total apartments would be 600.
600.
12 acres, 600 apartments,
Yes.
50 floors, 50 apartments per acre, which is a low density product. What is the typology? किस तरह के apartments हैं?
We have 3 bedroom and 4 bedroom. The maximum size of a 4 bedroom is 3,000 square feet, and the minimum size of a 3 bedroom is 2,300 square feet.
Okay, and you have another size, I think, 2,700.
We have 2,700, which is a 4 bedroom itself.
Okay.
And it's a hybrid version of a 4 bedroom.
Okay. How many floors?
That's ground plus 42.
Okay. We talked about the clubhouse.
Yeah.
What is the USP of Sobha Crescent?
The USP of a Shobha Crescent is a lifestyle.
Yeah.
You know, the person who wants to live very close to Golf Course Road, and he is working in Gurgaon in a good company, in a good corporate culture, and he has a family where it includes its kids and everyone. They want good education. You have all the good schools nearby, and then you have all the good malls nearby, and then when you connect with Golf Course Road, it's just hardly 5 to 10 minutes drive from, and also it centrally connects with Delhi as well.
Right.
So location. The second point I will highlight is the lifestyle and the views.
Right.
The permanent panoramic view of the Aravallis and the city facing views.
Absolutely. How many parking you are giving with the apartments?
So we'll be giving 3 car parks in 4 bedroom
Okay.
and 2 car parks in 3 bedroom.
Okay, I understand.
You know, like in the short term, if the investor is entering in this such kind of a project, he can really earn a good profit.
Okay. What's the payment plan?
The payment plan is flexible, and the construction payment plan, like 25% he has to pay in first 3 months,
Okay.
and that's an easy exit also. Policy is there, like the lockdown period is 25%. After 25%, if he wants to also transfer the apartment or wanted to sell it, he can easily exit out from the project as well.
So the ticket size of your apartment starts from?
It starts from 5.50 CR.
Okay. For a 3 BH.
Yeah, and it goes up to your 8.5 CR
For a
four-bed.
bigger 4 BH.
Yes.
And what about the total amenities?
So we have like 30 plus amenities inside the project, like, and there is a dedicated sports arena
That is of
of 4 acres.
4 acres.
Yeah.
So the 4 acres is going to be exclusively dedicated to sports. What it's going to have?
You have a pickleball court,
Yeah.
which is much needed. And then you have paddleball court also, that's also planned. We can expect tennis courts also, and we can expect open basketball arenas as well.
Right.
There is a skating rink already, inside the 8 acres, near to the clubhouse.
Okay.
Then you have dedicated walkways, and then you have the 50-meter lap pool is already there. And inside the clubhouse, you can expect world-class cafes, restaurants. There's going to be a very big gymnasium. There will be basketball courts as well, badminton courts as well, squash courts as well. So all the amenities are all modern, and that is what exactly we are much equipped to. Like,
Right. I understand.
so, Saurav sir, tell me one thing. Like, you're already in this market, and you have a reputation from working in this industry from last 25 years.
Yeah.
Right. So, how do you see the pricing of Shobha Crescent, and how is it different from all the competitors which are already there?
Divyang, when we talk about first of all, Golf Course Extension Road market is going on an upswing. It has become an alternate market to Golf Course Road. Now, right now, the Golf Course Road average price points are moving towards around 50,000 rupees per square feet. So, आज Golf Course Road को afford करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो गया. That's the reason people are moving towards Golf Course Extension.
Right.
एक चीज बहुत अच्छी हो रही है Golf Course Extension में, that all the A-grade developers, listed developers are coming this side. जैसे सोबा आ गया, Max Estate आ रहा है, Oberoi Realty आ रहा है, DLF अपने आप को ऑलरेडी लॉन्च कर चुका है. अब जो आपने क्वेश्चन पूछा व्हाट अबाउट द प्राइसिंग, तो मैं इसकी विसिनिटी की प्राइसिंग के बारे में आपको जल्दी से बताता हूँ. तो आइरियो ग्रैंड आर्क ऑलरेडी एक डिलीवर्ड प्रॉपर्टी है इसी के पास, दैट ऑपरेट्स अराउंड 25,000 to 26,000 रुपीस पर स्क्वायर फीट. दैट्स अ रेडी टू मूव इन प्रॉपर्टी. अगर आपको उस एसेट को एक्वायर करना है, यू हैव टू मेक द पेमेंट अपफ्रंट. राइट. ठीक है. आप कॉन्सेंट हाइंस एलिवेट अगर कंसिडर करते हैं तो वो भी 25-26,000 रुपीस पर स्क्वायर फीट के आसपास है. महिंद्रा ल्यूमिनेयर अगेन रेंजेस अराउंड दिस प्राइस पॉइंट. राइट. ओनली आपके बगल में ही एक प्रोडक्ट है सिल्वर ग्लेड्स करके, लेगेसी. राइट. उसका प्राइस भी अराउंड 25-26,000 रुपीस पर स्क्वायर फीट पे है. DLF आर्बर जो थोड़ा सा और आगे जाके पड़ता है, that operates at a price, trading at a price of around 30 to 32,000 rupees per square feet. Trump operates at a price point of around 35,000 rupees per square feet. Golf Estate operates at a price point of 27,000 rupees per square feet.
Got it.
So I think just price point पे आपने अपने product को launch किया, I think it is a justified price point. It's a sweet spot. You have given some space for the investors to make some money. And I think how the golf course extension road is panning out, I think the people are going to make money because a lot of infrastructure work is coming up here. सबसे अच्छी बात Sobha Crescent के साथ क्या है? It has a right mix. You have ITES hub in front of it, and you have Aravali. So you have a mix of nature and at the same time you have job opportunities near to it. So I think
I would say a lot of good talent are also going to migrate over here. You
Absolutely.
know, companies like Google, IBM, they've already
set up their offices there.
Exactly. So you were there in the allotment, and I think you were also the rising star in that Sobha Crescent allotment event. So how was the experience, and how was the experience for your clients as well?
I think Divyang, it was a very transparent day that I have seen.
Right.
It was fantastic. बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ थी. There were a lot of people who came for the allotment, but how you people managed them seamlessly, that was awesome.
Okay.
सबसे बढ़िया चीज थी कि आप बिल्कुल ट्रांसपेरेंट थे. जो आपने हमें टाइम स्लॉट्स दिए थे, उस टाइम स्लॉट्स के हिसाब से आपने अलॉटमेंट करी. ठीक है. सेकेंडली, आई थिंक मेरे जितने भी क्लाइंट्स थे, दे गॉट द यूनिट्स दे वांटेड. ठीक है. और I think all the clients were very happy. All the channel partners were very happy working with Sobha because सबसे important चीज कि it was very transparent.
Right.
कोई चीज छुपाई नहीं हुई थी.
Right.
Even the price points, even the PLCs you already told to the clients, which helped them to make their decision, make the informed decision.
Right. We are already number one in South India.
Right.
We are number one in now Middle East also, like Sobha Reality. We are expanding our base in US, we are expanding our base in UK, we are expanding in Australia as well.
And now we are going to talk about the location. I will show you around what this location has to offer, and then we will move to the project. So on my back you can see the site. This is the site of Sobha Sector 63A, approximately 11.49 acres. A huge site, a huge frontage that you can see. Now we will analyze the location first, then we will move to the project. Right opposite to this particular site, you can see on my back that is a ITES SEZ. It was owned by Ascendas earlier. That was a Singapore-based company, but now it is owned by Capital Land, and you can see a lot of IT companies are already operational here. And on that side, that is again a ITES SEZ that is owned by Tata and has been leased out to few of the big companies like IBM and Google. Now this is the surrounding of this particular development. It's bang on 16-meter road. The road widening work has to be done. This particular project will come on bang on 60-meter road, and on that side, if I move, you can see the Aravali Hill. So this project is the closest development on Golf Course Extension Road, which is just next to Aravali Hill. It has a right mix. You have a ITES commercials, you have a retail around it, and you have the nature along your development. So I'm standing right opposite to Sobha site at present. This is the Capital Land ITES that I was talking about, where a lot of IT companies are operational. Now let me explain you about the competition around it. So इस तरफ तो सारा commercial आ जाता है. Residential developments के बारे में बताऊं तो आप देख सकते हैं that particular development is Ireo Grand Arc. That's a beautiful development that has been done by Ireo, and that operates at a price point of around 25,000 to 27,000 rupees per square feet. On the left hand side, you can see Mahindra Luminaire that also operates at a price of approximately around 27,000 rupees per square feet. वो जो पीछे की तरफ आप development देख रहे हैं, that is Consent Heights, that operates at a price point of around 25 to 26,000 rupees per square feet. So this is a developed area, a strong ecosystem where I am standing right now. A-grade developer Sobha, it will make a right buzz in the market. अब Sobha के बगल में भी एक बहुत बड़ा development आ रहा है of approximately 12 acres. On my back you can see the cranes and the construction happening. That is of Silver Glades. The name of the project is Legacy. It operates in a price point of around 23 to 25,000 rupees per square feet. Bigger sizes और 23 से 24,000 के आसपास ऑपरेट कर. और अगर आप पीछे कुछ skeleton structures देखेंगे जो concrete structures है. That is Oberoi Realty that's coming up here. So Oberoi Realty to Sobha, it's only 2 kilometers distance. Grand Hyatt to Sobha again approximately 2 kilometer distance. Oberoi Realty अपने आप को यहाँ पे launch करने वाला है at a price point of approximately 40 to 45,000 rupees per square feet. और यहाँ पे right next to Mahindra Luminaire, there is a development that's going to come up from Max. They have acquired approximately 7.5 acres और इस coming financial year में उनका launch होगा. You can expect around 30 to 35,000 rupees per square feet का.
We are going to quickly discuss about the master layout plan. So here is the master layout plan. This is tower number 3 and tower number 4 which has been launched right now. The total site is 12 acres. Now here you can see that these towers, tower 3 and tower 4 has been launched. Future expansion where it's written that's going to be the another tower, and then on where the green ये future expansion के back side पे भी एक future expansion लिखा हुआ है. This is going to be the 4th tower which is going to be launched at a later stage. अब यहाँ पे जहाँ पे आपको water bodies दिख रही हैं, these are going to be water bodies and swimming pool, and then you are going to have the community building that is going to be the clubhouse of approximately 75,000 square feet. और इसी क्लब हाउस के नीचे कुछ सर्विस अमेनिटीज ले डाउन करी हुई हैं. सो ब्यूटिफुली डन लेआउट. नाउ व्हेन वी सी इट, टावर 4 की ये half of the balconies, half of the apartments are going to face towards the Aravlis और half of the apartments are going to face towards the city skyline. Tower 3 में भी same ही है. Other apartments which are facing inside towards the clubhouse is also going to face towards the Aravlis when you're taking the higher floors. और Tower 3 के पीछे वाले जो apartments हैं, that's going to face towards the city skyline, that is towards the Aereo Grand Arc. फ्यूचर एक्सपेंशन अभी जो ये लॉन्चेस हुए हैं टावर 3 एंड टावर 4 का हुआ है. फ्यूचर एक्सपेंशंस जो होंगी वो लेटेस्ट स्टेज पे होंगी. सो कंपनी प्लान्स टू फेज इट आउट इन अ राइट मैनर कि ये प्राइस अचीवमेंट कर पाएँ, एक प्राइस बेंचमार्क क्रिएट कर पाएँ. द पीपल हु आर इन्वेस्टिंग राइट नाउ कैन make a decent amount of money because their plan is to sell their last tower at a price of around 35 to 40,000 rupees per square feet. Automatically the people who have invested at a early stage will make a decent premium on their property. Now एक फ्यूचर एक्सपेंशन के नीचे की तरफ भी दिख रहा है और कम्युनिटी फैसिलिटीज लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी ऑल योर स्पोर्ट्स अमेनिटीज विच इज गोइंग टू बी लेड आउट. अब ये जो फ्यूचर एक्सपेंशन है और जो मेन जहाँ पे टावर्स की प्लेसमेंट है उसके बीच में अराउंड 200 मीटर का गैप है जहाँ पे पारस की एक बिल्डिंग एग्जिस्ट करती है जिसको हम कहते हैं पारस सीटाडाइन. वहाँ पे भी नीचे कमर्शियल है और ऊपर सर्विस अपार्टमेंट्स है. सो हियर यू आर गोइंग टू हैव ऑल योर स्पोर्ट्स अमेनिटीज, फुटबॉल ग्राउंड, क्रिकेट ग्राउंड एंड ऑल लॉन टेनिस कोर्ट्स, पेडल कोर्ट्स, ऑल आर गोइंग टू बी हियर. क्लब हाउस के अंदर सारा आपका रेस्टोरेंट हो गया, बैंकेट हो गया, स्विमिंग पूल, योर स्पा, सोना एंड द क्लब हाउस दैट इज गोइंग टू बी हियर. अगर आप देखेंगे अब हमने मार्क ही कर दिया कि जैसे टावर नंबर 3 है उसके 1, 2, 3, 4 नंबर यूनिट हमने स्पेसिफाई कर दिए हैं, टावर 4 में भी कर दिए. टावर 3 का 1 और 2 नंबर यूनिट इज अ 4 BHK दैट इज 2966 स्क्वायर फीट. दैट इज अ बिगर साइज 4 BHK दैट इज अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 3000 स्क्वायर फीट. एंड जो 3 नंबर यूनिट है इसमें दैट इज 2669 स्क्वायर फीट दैट इज अगेन ए 4 BHK. और एक 3 BHK यूनिट है दैट इज 2277 स्क्वायर फीट दैट इज टावर नंबर 3 4 नंबर यूनिट. अब अगर आप देखेंगे ऑल द यूनिट्स आर कॉर्नर यूनिट्स बिकॉज द बिल्डिंग्स आर स्टैंड अलोन. इसी की तरह अगर हम टावर 4 में भी आते हैं, 1 और 2 नंबर जो यूनिट है, 1 नंबर और 4 नंबर जो यूनिट है दैट इज 2669 स्क्वायर फीट. और टावर 4 का 2 और 3 नंबर यूनिट है 2277 स्क्वायर फीट दैट इज ए 3 BHK. नाउ हमने यहाँ पे डायरेक्शंस भी मार्क कर दी हैं सो दैट यू कैन ईजिली सी द बालकनीज विच आर फेसिंग वेयर दे आर गोइंग टू फेस एंड यू कैन हैव ए अंडरस्टैंडिंग. जब आपने अपने यूनिट्स को सिलेक्ट करना है तो अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन मेक योर choice in it.
Always a privilege to work with such a A-grade developer, and I think the kind of team that Sobha has hired here for Gurgaon, I think it's A-grade. one of the finest people from the market
Right.
that they have deployed here.
Right.
Totally skillful,
Right.
and they are down to the ground, and they understand the market.
Right.
And accordingly, those kind of input has been given to the management, and you have brought in a right product to the
Right.
market.
Right.
I think the Soba Crescent is going to become one of the landmark development on Golf Course Extension Road.
Right.
Soba being A-grade listed developer, the finest construction quality. I think this will be one of the marquee development. So perfect. This was Divyang from Soba.
Thank you.
So he has been actively taking care of Gurgaon market. So we were in discussion with Divyang here, and connect with us if you want to understand and have more queries for Soba. We are one of the exclusive channel partners for Soba.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.
Ah,
Very nice.